Hey everyone, this is Mike Thomas here. You guys know me as Mike from Maine. And today I've got a fun one for you. It's a video called Get Paid $2.40 every 2 minutes. New method, make money online for beginners 2022. Now, this is my guy. I've actually met him in real life. He's an internet marketer. I'm really curious. This video has 10,000 likes on it, 746 dislikes. So it looks like more people are liking it than disliking it. It's pretty hypey in the fact that it's like get paid 240 cents every 2 minutes. New method. I don't know. Let's take a look at this and see how we feel about this, and we'll see if we like this method or if we don't like this method. I was looking in the comments here as well. It says like 90% of these comments are bots. It's sad, this person said. It looks like a lot of maybe fake comments here. I don't know what this is all about. Let's take a look here and watch this video together. Let's give him a like just to support him here, and let's watch it.
What's going on, gang? Fam? Today I want to share with you a super simple brand new viral method on how you can make $2.40 every 2 minutes over and over again with no website, no videos, and without paying for anything at all.
Okay, so that's what everyone wants to hear, right? Like you don't have you don't need a website, you don't need to pay anything. These $2.43, they look like Warrior Plus payments, I think. But let's see what this is.
Now I understand that 240 every 2 minutes, it's pretty small amount, but this method is going to work for you on autopilot. So overall,
Love that autopilot. Everything's autopilot these days, right? If it works on autopilot, it's automated. Automated. You don't have to do anything yourself. It's very common to see that on sales pages.
like every 2 minutes you should be getting like $2.40. So if you're going to multiply that 240 times 30, because that's like how many 2 minutes are in 1 hour, it's going to make you around like $70 per hour.
$70 an hour. I mean, this is something that worked. I would want to do it. I want to make $70 an hour. That's a really good wage.
And if you're going to multiply that by 24, because this is going to be working for you 24 hours per day, you can easily make like $1.7 thousand if you're going to set this up just like I'm going to show you.
Okay, so this is a method that you can make $1,700 in a day with. So if we take out the little calculator here, so we do 1,700 times 365 days a year. This method will make you $620,000 a year. I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what this is. I'm pretty skeptical here. I don't know. How do you guys feel about this so far? Let's go.
This is very important because this method is kind of like based on a viral effect, and you can earn almost double this amount if you're going to get on that viral wave. But if you're not going to get on that viral wave, chances are you end up making a couple $100. Well, yeah, boo-hoo. I mean, couple $100 for free. Let's get it. So what you want to do is step number one, head over to. But before that, this video is 100% free, and the only
That scared me a little bit, that transition.
thing that I'm kindly asking you to do is to please smash the like on this video.
Oh yeah, hit my like button too, by the way. It really helps out my channel. And subscribe.
It takes just a few seconds and helps me big time. And also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so I can notify you whenever I upload a brand new money making video. You want to head over to the CPAgrip.com. Now we are going to be using
CPAgrip.com. Never heard of this website.
this CPA network because compared to other networks, if you are comparing the same exact offer, CPA Group is always paying you the most amount of money compared to like some other CPA networks out there. They pay you like 50 cents, and the same exact offer you can get it on CPA Group and get paid $2.40 for the same exact offer. So just go to CPA Group, click on register right here.
Now I'm curious. This is always the thing with these kind of methods here. Like, is he actually doing this himself? That's what I want to know. Is he doing this himself? Is he going to show us an account where he's making this kind of money?
And fill out all the details that you are asked for, and for the publisher type, just select okay, they don't allow GPT anymore, so just go for website insend. Okay, this is the reason why I'm always showing you the steps multiple times, because usually there's GPT right here.
I don't know what get GPT get paid. GPT get paid. I don't know what that is. I thought it was like get paid to click, but I don't know.
But they don't have it anymore. So select website/insend. Okay, this is going to be the category that's going to approve you. That's why I'm
On a side note, I used to do a lot of CPA marketing myself. When I got involved in internet marketing back in what, 2004, 2005. I started out by buying traffic on Google and on AdWords and sending it to CPA offers. It was like I'd pay really, really low for clicks. I'd send it to offers that were just like they would pay me like $1.40 every time someone put in an email address. So like I know this works. I made a lot of money doing that.
Re-recording every time, like clickbank signups and all those different things. So now I'm going to just log in into my account. Now bear in mind, I'm not really just active on this network anymore, but I
Okay, so he's not active anymore, he says, which to be fair to him, I know he's making a lot of money doing other stuff. Like this video has 282,000 views on it. He's making a lot of money on YouTube. And I'm sure he's making a lot of money from affiliate marketing and stuff. So he probably doesn't need to do this anymore. Uh, but like if it's a method that's making that much money, you kind of ask yourself if it works so well, why aren't you doing it, right?
I'm going to show you live proof instead of like some other guys who are like refreshing their stats. Okay, they never show you this part right here on CPA Grip. You gotta see this part right here in order to see the real proof. I will show you my real proof that
Okay, payment center lifetime earnings. So he's made $4,000 from this. He's been paid out $4,000. So it's not like he's making like the same amount of money that he's talking about in the video, but he's made money with this.
actually made money on CPA Grip. You can see it right here, $4.1 thousand. So I know a thing or two right here, but I'm not really focusing on it anymore. I'm focusing on affiliate marketing because it's, I
There. Like I said, he's doing affiliate marketing.
guess, way more profitable, but takes just a little bit more experience. Anyways, head over to the offers and go to my offers right here. You want to select United States, and then this is the offer you want to go for. Because it's Christmas, you can also customize it. I will show you like how to do this multiple times. So for example, get an Apple Watch now. This is an offer you want to go for, or get a brand new PS5 now. Some kind of a giveaway. Get a brand new GoPro.
Those ones are amazing, those ones, because all you do is you get someone to put in, and at least when I was doing it, you get them to put in their email address and you get paid like $2. Or I got paid $1.40. Now it's $2.40. It's pretty amazing. I mean, they're trying to get leads, is what they're trying to do.
8. This is how you're going to maximize the method. With just one of these offers, you can make like $2,000 once you set it up. But then what? You're just going to sit and watch your earnings? No, do it multiple times, and that way you're going to maximize your earnings. So let's say just one time this is going to work, you get $2,000, but if it works 5 times, you get $10,000. So let's go with the PS5 now, okay? Also, for this offer right here, I have a special gift for you. At the end, I will give you a copy and paste done for you campaign. So this is
So he's going to give us something, a done for you campaign. That's nice of him.
going to be your link. Don't use the file Senzu. Use like tracking GRP or Yod files, and then you want to copy this link. Then you want to shorten it. So go to Bitly and you want to shorten because this link kind of looks spammy, and we don't want that to happen. So enter the long URL, click on create, and you can just use the basic Bitly link right here. Now the next step, what you want to do is you want to go
Billy's a great little software, by the way, for any of you out there. Probably most of you know what it is, but it's free and you can track your links and you see how many clicks you have and stuff. It's useful. I use it occasionally.
to Google and you want to search for PlayStation 5 because we are using the PlayStation 5 right here, and you want to just grab any of these images that you're going to see. Okay, just for example, I'm using this one. I could also use my own because I have a PS5. I won it in an affiliate competition. But anyways, then go to Canva and click on create a design, and you are looking for Twitter post. Okay, Twitter post, just like this. And then what you want to do is you want to simply right click on copy and place it right here. And then you want to customize it.
I like how he's at least walking through step by step and not saying go make an image. So he's showing how to make this. That's good.
So it's going to fit the entire screen just like this. Now what you want to write here, I already created a post. This was the like most hard part, like getting the image there. Other than that, just use these elements, use these images to your preference. I want to show you what you want to create. You want to create this type of post. Okay, this is going to be it. It's called the December PS5 giveaway. Win a free PS5 worth $5.99. To enter the free giveaway, follow the steps. Retweet this post on your feed.
Okay, so he's trying to create a viral post on Twitter. Interesting.
tag one friend who is going to play it with you, click on the link in bio to submit your entry. You must complete all the steps and then underline this part as an extra step. Now, to get access to this exact post, I can actually do that. So I'm going to share it and I will give you the link at the end of the video. Just make sure to watch this so you know how to make money with this one. This is going to be the image that we are going to be using. You can just download it or publish it to the Twitter right away. But the reason why this is going to work so well is when you're going to post this on Twitter, people are going to be retweeting it just for the sake, because it takes like
Here's the problem, though. Of course, if you've got a big Twitter following, then sure, you can get some people to tweet it. But if you don't have, if you've got like 10 people following you on Twitter, then I doubt this is going to get you a ton of traffic.
a few seconds and then they're going to be tagging their friends. This happens on Instagram all the time, but there isn't really any feed to show this. You cannot really retweet something on Instagram. You can do it on Twitter and it takes like a few seconds. So people are going to be doing this and they're like, okay, I will click on the link in bio to try this out. And they're like, okay, submit their details and bam, $2.40. However, some of these are going to be like, okay, I will just try to submit my details, they will come there and bam, you still make money. But those that are going to retweet this are going to create this viral effect, because when you go to Twitter, it's going to be showing on their newsfeed. So one of your friends is going to, let's say, share it. It's going to be on two newsfeeds now, on yours and on his friends. Then another friend of his is going to share it and it's
Of course, that's if you have a bunch of people on Twitter already.
going to create this multiple viral effect that's going to be sending you direct free traffic over and over again. So that's what I tell you to go to CPA Grip and do this for multiple offers like Apple Watch right here. Just promote Apple Watch, and you can also create a dedicated Twitter account for each of these offers, okay? Because chances are that you don't want to be posting this on your private account, you want to be posting this on your branded account, and then that's where you're going to add your link. You want to make sure you're going to add it into the bio section, okay? Click on the link in bio to submit your entry. So they are going to retweet it, they are going to tag a couple of their friends, they're going to share it. This way you get free traffic, and then once they're going to complete that, you get paid $2.40 over and over again. Okay, and for people that are watching till the end, this is
It sound like I said before, it sounds good, but I don't see anyone making 240 every 2 minutes from this. It's a nice hook for a description, but I don't think it's going to happen.
a special hack. You want to add one entry every 24 hours, because people are going to be kind of greedy, like, okay, I want to entry multiple times, the affiliate offer is going to be there, the CPA offer, and they are going to be like, okay, every 24 hours it's going to restart for them, so one person can complete the CPA offer every 24 hours. That's how you get paid. They're going to be doing it every 24 hours to up their chances, and you'll be making even more money, because the same exact people that completed the offer one time are going to do it multiple times.
I don't know if they do it multiple times, if you'll get paid every time. In general, I believe with those CPO offers, you get paid per email, not necessarily like if someone goes and submits their email 10 times, I don't think you're going to get paid 10 times for it.
And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Go ahead.
All right, this is interesting. So you can see his payouts here. So he did this back in 2017. So this video was recorded in 2021. So it was what, 3, 4 years since he'd done this. It's a nice share, but it's not something that looks like is necessarily something that I would recommend that people do.
Get these simple payouts into your account as soon as possible. Make some easy money before Christmas. I wish you the best of luck. And if you
So guys, yeah, thank you so much for checking out this video. Let me know below what you think about this, and if you think this is a method that would work, if this is something that you've done, maybe you've done something like this, and you can let us know some of your experience with that. I'd really appreciate that. And of course, if you haven't done it already, make sure you hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.